So, why did Alex Hormozi decide to invest in Skool? It's not just about investing in another software company, it's about making a bigger statement about community building and simplifying the business landscape. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only why Hormozi took that leap, but also how Skool can transform the way you manage your community, even if you're running a small or large business. Skool has definitely been creating a lot of buzz in the business world, but why did someone like Alex Hormozi, who has built a massive empire, decide to back it? First, it's important to understand where Skool fits into the market. Many software options out there, like Kajabi, Teachable, and Thinkific, are great for building courses. But Skool goes a step further. Instead of just selling a course, Skool combines community, learning, and coaching into one platform, making it easier for creators to connect with their audience in meaningful ways. It's about creating a space where people don't just learn, they grow together. Next, let's talk about the simplicity of the platform. One of the main criticisms of other platforms is that they can be overwhelming. They give you endless features, but not always in a way that makes your job easier. Skool keeps things minimal. It doesn't drown you in complexity, and it prioritizes what actually matters, getting your members to engage and share ideas. Alex Hormozi, being someone who thrives on clear, actionable steps, saw this and recognized the power of something simple but effective. You don't need 1,000 options, just the right ones. Now, the third thing that makes Skool stand out is its unique community approach. Hormozi is known for building businesses that center around value exchange, and Skool reflects that philosophy. It's not just about a one-way communication from creator to audience, it's about creating a space for interaction, networking, and active problem solving. The community aspect of Skool encourages ongoing conversations and relationships, things that can be harder to manage on traditional course-based platforms. Another factor worth mentioning is how well Skool integrates its features. Unlike some platforms where you need multiple subscriptions for different tools, email, community, learning management, Skool gives you everything in one package. The integration of these functions saves time and energy, letting creators focus more on content and less on managing separate systems. But like all platforms, Skool isn't perfect. While it shines in simplicity, if you're looking for an extremely customizable experience, Skool might not be for you. There are fewer options for design tweaks compared to more traditional course platforms. That being said, it's clear Hormozi is betting on scalability and ease over deep customization. For many creators, this is a huge win, as it streamlines everything into one cohesive experience. Next, let's touch on the pricing. Skool offers a very competitive model compared to alternatives. Many other platforms charge hefty monthly fees, even when you're just starting. With Skool, the pricing is straightforward and affordable, which means you get incredible value without breaking the bank. For someone building a business and managing multiple memberships, this matters a lot. Now, for what you've been waiting for, why is Skool the right choice for your business, and how does it stack up against other options? Well, if you're after a solid way to foster community, build relationships, and create seamless integrations without the unnecessary complexity, Skool could be the perfect choice. But if you need a platform that offers extreme customization or has advanced features, you might want to look at other software like Kajabi or Thinkific. To wrap this up, while Alex Hormozi invested in Skool because he saw how it can change the way business owners approach community building, it's important to understand your own business needs. That's why I'm sharing an exclusive extended free trial to Skool today. But if you're still not sure if Skool is the right fit, stick around because I've got some incredible alternatives with free trials too, each bringing something different to the table. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, don't wait. Check it out for yourself and see which platform fits your goals the best.